Welcome back to our Orava Castle journey. In the last episode, we explored the upper castle, hidden halls, and some breathtaking views from the top of the citadel. But trust me, the story of this castle is far from over. Today, we continue right where we left off, stepping into the archaeological exhibition, where centuries old discoveries and hidden details reveal even more about the life, history, and mysteries of this medieval fortress. This is the archaeological exhibition located in the highest part of the upper castle, accessible to the visitors. This section takes us far beyond the medieval history of the castle and deep into the prehistoric past of the Orava region. As you walk through here, you will find artifacts, reconstructed settlements, burial mounds, and models of ancient homes that show how people once lived in this region thousands of years ago. The exhibition also displays bronze tools, weapons, ornaments, and clothing inspired by archaeological discoveries found in the graves around the region. One of the interesting parts here is the reconstruction of the Lusatian house from the Bronze Era. It's fascinating to see how Orava wasn't just important during the castle era but had human settlements dating all the way back to the prehistoric times. These findings show that people here already had advanced craftsmanship and trade connections centuries before the castle itself existed. Moving further, the exhibition shifts back to the history of Orava Castle and the archaeological excavations carried out here over the years. And honestly, what makes this section even more special is the atmosphere itself. There are also stone Gothic artifact excavation models and displays showing how the castle was reconstructed after centuries of destruction and fire. This is the highest point of the castle accessible to the visitors. Beyond this point, entry to the upper section isn't permitted, but the exhibition includes a video presentation showing the hidden paths further above the castle that most visitors never get to see. So let's watch it. Here in the video, we can see hidden upper section of Orava Castle. It gives a rare glimpse into areas that are normally closed to the public. From here, the video shows one of the balconies of the castle, opening up to incredible views of the outer walls and the surrounding landscape. Seeing these unseen corners really makes you appreciate how strategically this fortress was built high above the Orava River. Standing here after exploring every level of this incredible fortress, it's easy to understand why Orava Castle is considered one of the most fascinating castles in all of Slovakia. This castle has watched over the region for more than 700 years, surviving wars, fires, reconstructions, and centuries of changing history. What makes this place truly special is how every section feels completely different. From dark corridors and defensive bastions, noble halls, hidden chambers, museums, and breathtaking viewpoints high above the valley. It doesn't feel like just one castle, but an entire world built into the cliffs. There are also countless legends connected to this place hidden tunnels, ghost stories, noble families, and secrets buried deep within these stone walls. And honestly, walking through the castle yourself, you can truly feel that mysterious atmosphere everywhere around you. But beyond the history and legends, what really stays with you is the experience. The views of the mountains, the sound of the river below, and the feeling of standing inside a place that has survived for centuries. Orawa Castle is more than just a tourist attraction, it's a journey through history itself. And just like that, our Orawa Castle tour comes to an end. As we walk through the peaceful surroundings, you can really feel how nature here has its own way of making everything feel calm and refreshing. After spending the day inside centuries of history, stepping back into the open landscapes feels almost unreal. From outside, the castle looks even more beautiful, standing proudly above the Orava River, surrounded by cliffs and greenery that makes the entire setting look like a scene from a movie. We slowly said goodbye to the castle, taking in one last look at this incredible place that has stood here for centuries, carrying so many stories within its walls. And of course, no journey is complete without experiencing a bit of local flavor. We even tried some traditional Slovak cuisine, which made the day even more memorable. With that, it was time to move on to our next destination, carrying all the memories of Orava Castle with us. Leaving behind the medieval walls of Orava Castle, we now continue deeper into the beautiful Orava region. Our next stop is a place surrounded by mountains, peaceful waters, and some of the most scenic landscapes in northern Slovakia. Compared to the dramatic atmosphere of the castle, this destination has much calmer and more relaxing vibe. The kind of place where nature, local culture, and quiet views come together perfectly. And before we fully explore the area, we'll also be visiting a truly unique landmark inspired by one of the most famous statues in the world. We've also got some special bonus moments waiting for you, where we'll be sharing scenic views of this destination across different seasons while reliving some of our old memories from this beautiful place. That's it for this part of our Orava Castle journey. But the adventure is so far from over. In the next episode, we explore a completely different side of the Orava region with the stunning scenery, peaceful surroundings, and a place you definitely won't want to miss. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.